we're doing our bird dog exercise, sometimes we're going to get a little too much upper shoulder tension. We're really not going to feel our core. So one of our form points to hit on is to see whether we're putting more weight towards the outside of our hands or the inside of the hands. Usually you tend to drift more over towards the pinky side. So we want to make sure we have an even pressure between the pinky side and the thumb side as you go across. And part of that too is when we go to the outside, especially if you start to drift out into the elbow, we can almost get like a little bit of an elbow flare, and that's going to start an internal twist, which tends to shrug this shoulder up. Versus when we drop it down a little bit, we start an outward twist more from underneath. That tends to drop our shoulder blade, down a little bit. And, a lot of times it helps to push more off that thumb side, trying to push out, almost like pushing from the big toe in the foot, like we do with some of our lower body prompts. So when we go into our bird dog exercise, we're going to make sure we have our even pressure across the hands. Everything's kind of like a slightly outward spiraled, almost like some of the push-up form variations before we switch into it. So we have a nice even stability going across through there.